Drum.
What's in here? Why don't you open this? Go ahead, open it. Pull.
What is it? Yeah,
Here, ready?
what is it? Car. Did you put a battery in it?
No.
Okay. I don't want to take it off.
Is that a new toy? Did Santa bring that for you, Cruz? You didn't break it.
You gotta get the battery in it first.
No good.
You can say thank you.
Cruz, you have to say thank you, Santa.
Hey, wait, good.
Is that cool? One more time, no.
Well, if you set the blocks up and you run into it with the car.
Mommy, you look at the controller and you got it first. It was hard to get the mama. I think it got break.
You didn't break it.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Santa. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. And look, it has a shovel.
Put the key back in it. There you go. He just needs it to work. That's all he cares about right now.